I step out of your house this evening to go home, Billy, you're going to look at your wife and you're going to say, what do you think, honey? And she's going to look at you and she goes, I don't know, honey, what do you think? And then what's going to happen is you're going to go to bed, and then you're going to wake up tomorrow, and you're only going to remember half of what we talked about today. Okay? Then what's going to happen is you're not going to talk about it the next day, and then maybe you revisit it next weekend. It's a busy week, you guys are working. Saturday comes around, maybe you discuss the patio room, and then what do you remember? Half of that. Then another week goes by, and you remember half of that. That's just human nature. Our brain can only retain so much information. And then after so long, all you're going to remember is the price. And $36,078. I'm a consumer 90% of the time too. I'm only doing this 10% of the time. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of money today. It's going to be a lot of money next week. It's going to be a lot of money in 30 days from now. But John and Mary, you guys work hard. You guys deserve this. Doesn't it make sense to make the decision when you have a professional sitting right in front of you and all the information is at hand? Do I have a new customer? And I'm going to try again. I'm going to keep asking for the order. I'm going to keep asking for the order.